Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will be analyzing DTC P2279, which stands for Intake Air System Leak, specific to the Honda Fit models from 2015 to 2020. This diagnostic trouble code indicates that there is a leak in the intake air system, which should lead us to inspect various components related to air intake and vacuum. The engine management system uses sensors to detect abnormalities in air-fuel mixtures, and an intake leak can significantly affect engine performance. We will go through a detailed error description, possible causes, symptoms, and then follow a structured troubleshooting guide to identify and rectify the issue. Attention to detail will be key, as even small leaks can trigger this code. DTC P2279 refers to an intake air system leak, indicating a vacuum leak in the intake system that can disrupt the air-fuel mixture. The major components involved include the positive crankcase ventilation, PCV valve, the PCV hose, the purge control system, PCS line, the throttle body, and the intake manifold. The PCV valve is crucial for recycling gases from the crankcase back into the intake, and any leaks here can impact engine performance. The throttle body regulates airflow into the engine, and the intake manifold distributes air to the engine cylinders. These components are typically located between the air filter and the engine, making them accessible for inspection during diagnostics. Ensuring that these parts function correctly is paramount for optimal engine performance. The potential causes of DTC P2279 include multiple factors, primarily centered around vacuum leaks in critical components. A common culprit is a faulty PCV valve, which can fail to properly regulate airflow. Damaged hoses, such as the PCV hose or PCS line, can also lead to significant vacuum leaks, affecting pressure readings and air-fuel mixtures. Additionally, issues with the throttle body can exacerbate the problem, making it crucial to conduct a thorough visual inspection. Each of these components plays a role in maintaining the proper air-fuel ratio, and any deviation can cause the engine control unit (ECU) to throw the P2279 code. When diagnosing DTC P2279, you may notice several distinct symptoms that indicate a problem with the intake air system. Engine performance issues are likely, including a drop in power and reduced throttle response. Drivers may also see the check engine light illuminated on the dashboard, triggering concern. Rough idling can occur due to inconsistent air entering the engine, leading to an unstable engine speed. While these symptoms may point to other issues, they are classic indicators of an intake air system leak. It is vital to monitor these symptoms closely during troubleshooting to ascertain whether they coincide with the P2279 fault. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P2279, the recommended approach is to perform a visual check of the intake air system. Begin by inspecting for vacuum leaks at critical components such as the PCV valve, PCV hose, PCS line, throttle body, and intake manifold. These components are integral to maintaining proper airflow and achieving ideal engine performance. Leaks can often be detected visually. Look for cracks, separations, or damaged connections that could lead to air escaping the system. If you find any compromised parts, they need to be repaired or replaced before moving on to the next troubleshooting steps. The second troubleshooting step involves problem verification. First, allow the engine to cool down until the ECT sensor 1 reading is at or below 122 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Celsius. The engine coolant temperature ECT sensor is crucial because it measures the temperature of the engine coolant. informing the ECU about the engine's operating conditions. After attaining the appropriate temperature, use Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC. Next, start the engine and allow it to idle for a minimum of 10 seconds. During this time, monitor the onboard diagnostics OBD status for DTC P2279 to determine if the code reappears or indicates failure. This helps to confirm if an active leak is still present or if the system has self-corrected. Upon monitoring the HDS outcomes in the third troubleshooting step, you will either confirm or deny the ongoing presence of the P2279 code. If the HDS indicates a failure, this suggests that the system has identified a leak or another issue. Your immediate course of action should involve checking the camshaft timing, as incorrect timing can lead to improper air-fuel mixing. If the timing appears correct, the next step is to examine the valve adjustment. Adequate valve clearance is necessary for optimal engine operation. If the adjustment is not set to spec, it could create further complications, ultimately resulting in poor engine performance. Diagnosing the root cause will be crucial to resolving the P2279 issue effectively. In the final repair verification phase, it is essential to meticulously recheck all components associated with the intake air system to confirm that they are functioning correctly and that no leaks are present. This includes double-checking the PCV valve, hoses, throttle body, and intake manifold. After ensuring that each component is intact and operational, clear the DTC once more using the HDS. This final step is crucial as it resets the system, enabling you to monitor for any recurrence of the P2279 code and to ensure the repairs made were effective. Continuous monitoring will help confirm that the issue has been addressed and verify that the system is operating smoothly. Preventive maintenance is critical to avoiding issues like DTC P2279 from arising in the future. Regular inspections of the intake system, focusing on hoses and critical components, can identify wear and tear early. As hoses age, they can crack or become brittle, making them susceptible to developing leaks. Additionally, maintaining proper valve settings and routine checks on the PCV system can help to ensure smooth engine operation. Keeping an eye on these components and addressing problems early will save time, money, and headaches in the long run. Preventing future leaks begins with proactive maintenance. In conclusion, addressing DTC P2279 related to intake air system leaks involves a structured approach to diagnostics and repair. Throughout this presentation, we explored the key components affecting the intake system, reviewed possible causes of leaks, and identified associated symptoms that help guide troubleshooting. The importance of conducting thorough visual inspections and following systematic diagnostic steps cannot be overstated. These will ensure that leaks are properly detected and resolved. Additionally, establishing a routine maintenance schedule can help prevent recurring issues. By keeping the intake air system in good condition, vehicle performance can be optimized and engine life can be extended. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.